lammergeier roughly translates to lamb eagle. If you're a bird with a 9-foot wingspan that lives on the sides of mountains where most people have 20 sheep or 20 goats as best friends, then it hasn't done it any favours whatsoever, because birds of prey were quite openly persecuted in yesteryear. And it hasn't just yesteryear, because through education we have found out exactly what this bird does for a living. So he's not a predator. Golden eagles, white-tailed seagulls do kill livestock. The debate goes on and on and on, but golden eagles don't want to have a fight with a sheep, but they drive at them, scare them to the edges of cliffs, knock them over the side, and then of course consume their bodies. So people of course have seen that out in the wild when you live out there day by day, and so anything that looked like an eagle was very heavily persecuted. But this bird is not interested in meat, he's not interested in hunting. This is a specialist vulture that eats bones for a living. So after everybody else has stripped every last morsel of flesh from that skeleton, he comes along with his short, powerful bill. He can just snip through rib bones. That in itself is amazing. He throws them up into the air, 12, 14-inch bones, sword swallows them down. That really is amazing to see. And he's not interested in the marrow on the inside, it is actually the bone. He can eat off a carcass that's been out in the sun for 2 or 3 months, dry, and amazing bird. But big bones, like leg bones and skulls, are actually too difficult for him to break with his beak. And so he's named the bone breaker, brings it all to, I suppose, the front. What they do, they pick them up, they fly around with them until they find a sheet of rock, throw them down repeatedly until they break into shards that he can swallow. And he can swallow bones the size of my fist. Now, when we were training this bird, we always used to think that that was a learned behaviour. The parents would teach them the ropes. But, whilst we were training Barty up in North Yorkshire on the side of that mountain called Penighan, my house is the last house going up that mountain. And so all the eagles get to fly around the house. They play tick with each other a lot of times. Mostly they sit on dry stone walls and surprise walkers. But this bird disappeared for a couple of hours. And I was starting to get worried. Went outside with the binoculars. And sure enough, I could see Barty flying around at the far side of the mountain, but he looked a bit sort of cumbersome, a bit weird, how he was flying, and because he'd seen me, I guess...
Isn't that cool? Yeah, it's wicked. Now we've got slow-mo. Let me see it.
In fact, they're contenders for the which I always think is self-explanatory. And then these birds that we have out here,
Marvin, hi Marvin.
Somewhere around about 17.5 pounds. 8.5 kilos. It's a stunning creature to look at. The black and white plumage blends in with tons of regions of the world.
Look at them.
Marvin, the top of Guy's town. Well, why did you do that earlier? It's going to be ages and ages and ages to get to the top of the castle. It's really hot and out to walk to the top. Well, James, when he's match fit, can get up there in 18 times very shorter. He goes up these steps 2 at a time. Give him a big round of applause. It is the same person.
18 seconds.
Oh, right, yeah.
He's saying he's just got there. Jaden! Jaden!
It can go without many, many days. In fact, that's the reason why these birds are so big. But they're also very, very greedy. In the wild, they don't know when the next meal is going to arrive.
Oh my God.
And the people don't walk rapidly from there. They usually spend about 10 to 15 seconds to recharge the oxygen in those lungs, but it isn't going to be easy. Marvin has made it to the top of Guy's Tower. He's one go, and that is a serious
Yay!
as he wibbles and wobbles himself to a standstill. Here we go, Marvin.
It's really wobbly. It's very wobbly. Do it again. Let me talk.
So all these are going to go to that kids show.
I'm asked.
We could go.
Excuse me. We could go to a different shop and get another badge.
Can we?
You still got our passports.
Go to the next show.
You cheeky person. So we're at Warwick Castle. So I'm going to be putting
Mama, two videos up of these birds of prey. We had loads of Velociraptor. Velociraptor is a dinosaur. Yeah, a Velociraptor totally just came onto there. I mean, I know my bird. I know my bird. Trust me.
You're on it.
She just said to quickly text him and say I'm not in school then.
You're related to them.
Related to who?
Those birds are related to velociraptors.
Are they? Yeah.
Similar, yeah. Raptors, that's what they call them, raptors.
So I was right. I was talking. Right, I went like this. I went like this. And then I went. Oh, there's a velociraptor. And I felt really small. It was wrong. It was just a bird. Oh, you were close. You're close. No, stop. We got pop pin badges for doing our maze. Pop badges, not pop pin badges. Yeah, pop badges. Charlotte. We got pop badges for doing our maze. And there's going to be a video of the maze going up as well. So there's going to be a lot that I have to edit tonight. Tonight we're at the hotel. I know, but I have to edit. I saw a burger thing.
Yeah, it's a burger one. Take the kids to the burger one, I'll come back and get them.
We're all leaving, so we're getting a burger. I'm going to pause this video and then do a normal vlog.